Hey, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. Today we're going to do an unboxing video on the Innova CarScan Pro with Repair Solutions 5610. It's an OBD2 scanner, and it is a full-featured scanner. It does a ton of cool stuff. Check engine, active test, bidirectional tests, enhanced data stream, transmission temp, EP, emergency brake or parking brake and ABS service, tire pressure, battery reset, network scan, oil light reset, airbag, battery system check, live data stream, ABS, and smog. So really cool. And here's a list of all the features on it compared to their other units. So we've got a lot of cool stuff on here. And this is going to be an unboxing video. We're going to look it over, and then we'll do another separate video here soon testing it on the car or on my truck. So the 5610 is their full-featured unit. You can see it checks all the boxes here. Check engine, read and clear trouble codes, emissions, smog check readiness, ABS brake codes, view live data stream, battery charging, SRS airbag, oil light reset, all system network scan, battery reset and initialization, parking brake, ABS, bleed and caliper service, tire pressure, transmission temp, enhanced data stream, bidirectional testing, active test, OBD1 coverage, and then it works with the Repair Solutions app as well. I'm going to see if I can get that. I film on my phone here, and I'll see if I can get that working on my tablet so we can try that as well. I've tested another unit that has this function, but I wasn't able to show it, so we'll try and do that. I'll install it on my tablet. Or maybe I can borrow another phone or something. So comes in a nice box. I received it here in the outer box. Innova branding, looks nice. And then we have our product box. Really cool. Looks really nice. Okay, let's open it up and see what we got. I have not even opened it yet, so you're going to see exactly what I'm looking at. And I always try to do this with one hand, and it is a pain. So give me 1 sec here. Let me see if I can get it out of the box easily. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. All right. Start here. Download the free app, Repair Solutions. So, like I said, give that a shot for our next video testing the unit. Have a quick start guide. And yeah, I looked at an Innova unit in my last video that had this as well. So definitely want to test that app functionality out. So we've used enough of these. I'm not going to go through the quick start guide. I'm pretty familiar with them at this point. We have a good looking Innova tool, good thick plastic case, back cover with a screw. I don't know if it has a battery in it or not. I don't think so, so not sure what that is. Serial port and good color screen, Innova 5610. We have all our buttons. If you watched the last video I did on the other Innova scanner, I don't recall the model number, but it was a slimmer feature line for one of these. But they have similar buttons set up. So up and down and enter to select. We have erase codes, system status, and freeze frame and diagnostic trouble code shortcuts, power and link button, menu, and live data. And then I don't know what these are for yet, but we'll see when we power it up. So cool. Then in the box we have our cable, which is serial to the OBD2 connector, and pretty self-explanatory. That'll screw in right there and then plug in to the vehicle. So we have everything we need right here. And yeah, that's the unboxing. It looks cool, packaged nicely. The unit looks good, feels good. So I think we're off to a good start. And make sure you check out the next video where we're going to get it in the car and we'll start doing some testing. All right, see you soon.